Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into something super exciting. The 2024 Paris Olympics and a groundbreaking new addition. Ever heard of breaking? Yup, breaking or breakdancing is making its Olympic debut. Now, the Olympics have always been about pushing human limits, showcasing the best of the best. But this year the International Olympic Committee decided to shake things up a bit. They're bringing in breaking, and it's not just a nod to the sport, it's a full-on embrace of youth culture. Breaking is rooted in hip-hop culture and brings a fresh, vibrant energy to the Olympic stage. Imagine those gravity-defying moves, the spins, the flips, all under the Olympic spotlight. It's going to be a spectacle. This inclusion is more than just adding a new sport. It's about evolving the Olympics to resonate with a younger audience. The IOC's decision signifies a shift, aiming to captivate a new generation with the dynamism and artistry of street-born dance. And let's be honest, it's going to be epic. The dance community is buzzing with excitement. Athletes are training harder than ever, perfecting their routines to dazzle the world. They're ready to bring their A-game to Paris, and who knows, maybe we'll see the next big dance superstar emerge from this. So why does this matter? It's not just about the sport, it's about the culture, the energy, and the evolution of tradition. The Olympics are adapting, becoming more inclusive and more representative of global diversity. Breaking at the Olympics is a testament to this change. It's a bridge between past and future, tradition and innovation. As we count down to the opening ceremony, the anticipation is building. The world is ready for the electrifying performances that will unfold. Whether you're a sports enthusiast or a dance aficionado, the 2024 Paris Olympics are going to be unforgettable. So mark your calendars and get ready to witness history in the making. Breaking is here and it's going to rock the Olympic world. Thanks for tuning in. If you're as pumped as I am, hit that like button and subscribe for more cool updates. Catch you next time.